So at some of the shows, like Thermal, they make us use the same numbers for multiple weeks. And the edges rip, especially when it's like 95 degrees outside and everyone's so sweaty. So I'm gonna laminate them. Got our numbers, I've got my laminator. I'm doing 2 passes because the first one wasn't quite done enough. And I just cut them out. But there's bubbles because, you know, it's like a thick, so you have to cut above the little line. Okay, I have my rough cut numbers. They're good and firm. And now I'm gonna smooth them out. Also guys, it's like 100 degrees here today and I'm so sweaty. I can like smell myself, do you know? Like that's how I know it's bad. So what I'm saying is, be glad this is a video. In person, it's not great. Okay, a little bit smoother. Now I just take a hole punch. A little forceful with it. There we go. Laminated number.